My name is Federica Morabito and I've been working in the Essential Oils Laboratory at Agrumaria Reggina since October 2024. I hold the role of Junior R&D Technician, through which I'm learning all the stages of new product development. My journey at Agrumaria Reggina began with the desire to apply the theoretical knowledge I acquired during my degree in Pharmaceutical Chemistry and Technology to such a fascinating sector deeply connecting to our land, the citrus essential oils industry. Although I had no prior practical experience in the field, the opportunity to work in a research and development laboratory and explore this world immediately excited me. What I love most about my job is the innovative and stimulating environment that allows me to face daily challenges with determination, curiosity, and teamwork. It also gives me the opportunity to engage directly with a variety of raw materials, appreciating both their physicochemical and sensory properties. Working at Agrumaria is an enriching experience that enables me to grow both professionally and personally. Looking ahead, my goal is to continue learning, improving, and deepening my expertise in research and development, becoming more involved in the exciting new projects to come.